Sashisnam bakari kanet shakalok sabha election hausnam ahraja arphausau kanong yalam ka Congress ka Barbita Sharma kalakan tha bat kanno ya ka sorkar BJP kabayalam da Narendra Modi kum umentri rang badu kari bakala shuim tang ha kajing thok ya ki ba habakaran menta ka arphahunyo tarik jamang arja arphaulai ka Barbita kalakanno aba umodi ulakular banthap pisa khat sanak tingka shaman ki bank account hakapor ba uwan hakabor hausnam ahraja khatsau Henry haduk menta kala syukut tang haga jingklen. Kala buuru ya ki khandai tali ki jingkeli ya ka sorkar BJP, bahkan jubab ya ka rukam sensyar jongka hakini ki khandai senam hakari.
No Sal, no Sawal. 9 years, 9 questions. Number one, on the economy. Why is that inflation and unemployment are skyrocketing in India? Why have the rich become rich and the poor become poorer? Why is public property being sold to PM Modi's friends even as economic disparities are increasing? Number two, agriculture and farmers. Why is it that agreements made with the farmers while repealing the black farm laws have not been fulfilled? Why has MSP not been legally guaranteed? Why didn't farmers' income double in these last 9 years? Corruption and cronyism. Number three, why are you putting people's hard-earned savings in LIC and SBI at risk to benefit Adani? Why are you letting thieves escape? Why are you silent on rampant corruption in BJP-ruled states? Why are you letting Indians suffer? Number four, China and national security. Why is that? Even after you have given clean sheet to China in 2020, they still continue to occupy Indian territory. 18 meetings have been done with the Chinese counterpart, but why do they still continue to be aggressive on our borders? Number five, social harmony. Why are you deliberately using politics of hatred and hate speech for electoral gains? And you are fueling an atmosphere of fear in society. Number six, social justice. Why is it that your oppressive government is methodically destroying the foundations of social justice? Why are you silent on the atrocities against women, Dalits, SC/ST, OBCs and minorities? Why are we ignoring the demand for a caste census? Democracy and federalism. Why have you weakened our constitutional values and democratic institutions in the last 9 years? Why are you practicing politics of revenge against opposition parties? Why are you using blatant money power to destabilize governments elected by the people? Number eight, welfare schemes. Why is it that schemes for the welfare of the poor and needy and tribals are being weakened by cutting their budgets and making restrictive rules? Number nine, COVID-19 mismanagement. Why is that despite the tragic deaths of over 40 lakhs due to COVID-19, the Modi government has refused to compensate the families?
But idom kili ki baham desi ki bakta bhai ka imlang sa lang jumi wat hami haliaru kabandingkong kade shahi ta economy pindapet hakini kisnam ki palala ki naisnam bakarul ke BJP nadu ke inflation ke jingki udor ki mar ki mata mar ba mardi kanami usnam kanang kiyo sha palat bat ki briru najrong tata ka kam ka jam ki jingyo kam ki khna ki jingyo kam ki briu ka chaba phai ru ka tuna te kanami usnam iju ba kanam tabang ka jingdup bat kanami usnam ka jingki udor jingki ke ba pon ki briu ki na shu tamban ka daru ada fipet pa sa ko wei kum ka agriculture bat ki yakini ki nong rap ki nong yakinong rap ki pli hadu manta finakan ma bha ka tu baja Punjab ru kabaga BJP kala ele ban khang itu ki likely ki black laws bagi la yapan but compensation itu ki farmers but itu ki nongda badu mantan but yo kata ka minimum support price ka bagi hakran babar hadu mata ka BJP kampat khi kandai snam kala asyom manchu ong no hi yaki khamtam hi khamdok bari hi nong rap nong riang bar ki kanta iju bagi BJP ta kamparwa India ro pipai corruption babon ke yarap bitang itu ki priu ki ba ki ade perlok maki kumiki adani ki babon hi wadaya ka asset jong ka sarkar ki airports ki babon ke le ban ai bitang shaki babon ki priu ki thap pisah bank ki thiet LIC ki thiet insurance ki ka pisah ba don bar ka sarkar ya tu ka pisah ki root bank bar ki lalong bali ailon panman ya ki group ki bari perlok bar ki bagi tu ki pelok jo ki kum ki adani kim dei ki ba le business ka ba mobile ki la ki baru ki betang na ka jing yo lon bakaya rap sarkar ndai hadian habur tu pisatip kin phai byang si tu pat ba ne ngem tip te sarkar BJP ka ko miat te ko kom kam jo ka da pau tikna hi ba le se ka ya rap betang ki ba kham kraw bas pa ho bat banong ki beduk ki besuk te bon ba ka mampat ye dia tu ada fipai ya national security fipai ya country jungi but compare with China eru ladon kum bakhat pratili ki meeting bagi ladon bagi China ndai hadu mata tang khin dia kim khi babon hadu mata ke China kadang pendik si pendiki bat kadang ele shele hi ban kini hi jaka bat kadang ele hi ban pen glumar hi tu ki border hi jong ke India bat ngami ngim ui pan ba BJP ka khi hakata ko kom ko ba banong ban yang scam haki mar ki phang ba de ban le ada fipai social harmony li hamtam ngai ju ba kan politics ba le BJP ju ba le khna ban pat shu ya ka imlang sa lang ju ki brio hamtam ki jaj brio go pher pada na po India kim kwa ki jaj brio ni shong ha ta ko kom ka bai le si ken yasup ki kwa man pendik ba ngin pen nuksna tam ga jam kan ni po Manipur kam de ka ba kai ke jing sha thang ki mani ke jing sha pen ki hadu mantar family ba kita ki he jong ke BJP ki la ban ya kran ban appeal kanang khlan ke BJP te kini ki jing ki ba ka nakaliang ke Congress bat nakaliang pat pa ngi de ban ya kali ke tapi pet ki social justice ru machu ong no ma babon hi hadu mantar kidang bon hi ki jing sha le ban khamtam ki jing sha yorot ki baki ki barit pan kum ki OBC ki STs ki SCs ki ka chwangi phai ki UI ka ta jing ya pakla ka don ndeng am pat UI pat bagai BJP ka yang scam ban yarap ki te ban shupet kum ka federalism bat ka democracy no ma babon kini ki institution kum ka ED kum ka CBI ki ijo ba ka BJP ka te lakam yaki bat kale yeshong lang bat ki bat kapanon kam yaki tu ki department ban sim revenge yaki politician bat ban pendik panum ailat yaki nong mi khmat bakin yang bat bakin kili ke BJP bat ki pendik bahai yaki bat ki bon stang ki jing pendik ki bon stang ki jing yale yakli ki bon stang ban yale ban te yaki panum ailat yaki bakin mi khmat bat penon kami ki department hakata hukum kanang bandum yo lat yano ru bat manu ba keli ya ke BJP tang su keli hindiar ki keli ru tang kata he kila ya le ban yo raj iki tela da fipet ko mi welfare scheme ru kanu ki kran ban sepang kanika MNREGS katu ka shispa sngi katu kam shispa sngi ki nong ki bat ki le ban ya tan hi ban pelaj ya pisah namar kim kwa ban ya rap hi tu ki betuk bat kim kwa hi tharai ban kin kiu bat kin kham khlan ja se kini ki long yeng long sem kham tam ki betuk bat hadu mantaru ki dang le hi ban pendik kan bala kan nang mi usnam ki le be ban te la kam hi tu ki jat kam ru kim ailan bat phin pe ha por covid le kham tam la kan no mo chu la kuma sa pholak ki bre ki yap ki India bro ko bai ndai hadu mantaru ngem padi I ba ka compensation jo ki bre ki yap ki yo wat hami khalia ru ki dang pon ba ki bre ki pade ban yo ki khlam yo ndai ki jing pelut pisa pat ki pelut pan ban si ki ba le se kam pau per thai bat kam pau ken se ki se ba ba si sai te kita ki khandai tli ki jing kli bangi bo na ko congress but let's say kidi ki jingkili ki bangi khap ya kili kham scam hi namal ka elections kala jan la shimsnam ka MP elections su kala dan but let's say ki pa kila de ban sedang ban perkat kam sani sekini ki mat ki phang bal adon kam hi ban ngin ya keli kita ja jingli tangum tahi ko besibu